female orb weaver spider. Spiders don't have ears. Instead, they pick up vibrations through receptors in their legs, feeling sound rather than hearing it. Now, using laser technology that transforms vibrations into sound, virtually blind, her web acts as a giant acoustic sensor, allowing her to listen in to the world around her. She's waiting for one sound above all others. Impact sends ripples up each silk string, allowing her to pinpoint her prey and devour it. For the minuscule male, just 1/10 of her size, this makes courtship dangerous. He must tread carefully, or she may mistake him for prey and eat him. So he turns the web into a musical instrument and serenades her. Plucking the silk strings, he reassures the female he's friend, not foe. Next, he shakes his abdomen to produce a pulsing vibration across the web. It puts the female into a docile trance. These sound signals allow the male orb weaver to edge closer to the female, and if he's lucky, to mate with her. This time, music really is the food of love.